Hey, 12th grade. How are you? I just wanted to jump on for a moment so that I could clarify the response that's due in just 2 more days. Well, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I guess 3 days. Um, so I attached an article from NewsELA, which is actually a really good resource that you guys can check out if you don't know what it is. It has a bunch of different articles that are arranged by topic. And so I did a little bit of digging and I found a article on COVID-19. Given the situation that is happening right now, I thought it would be just a good exercise to kind of reflect. So you have one page due on Friday into the Google Classroom. The assignment is already there. And there's three components that you need to address in your response. The first is your immediate reactions to the article. Are there things that you agree with? Are there things that you disagree with? Please explain. Don't just say, I agree, right? You're in 12th grade. So there should be a little bit more thinking behind what you're writing. The second component is any of the fears or concerns that you have about what is being called the COVID-19 pandemic. What impact do you think that the media has on the public sphere and the response to the virus? You guys are super involved with social media and all different types of platforms. So I'm sure that you hear and see a lot more because you have so much exposure. So I want you to really just think about the impact that the media has. And that can also be the news. It doesn't just have to be like things on Instagram or Facebook or the TikTok thing that you guys use. I don't know if that is like related to COVID-19, but it's a platform nonetheless. And then the last component that you need to think about is, I guess, a little bit more personal, right? You are seniors, and I'm sure that you imagined your senior semester of high school looking a little bit differently than it currently is looking like. So this is just a space for you to respond as openly as you'd like. What are your feelings about the schools being shut down in New York? What's your biggest concern going forward? How has this impacted you? And that's more personal. So please be as sharing forward or share as much with me as you feel comfortable. Okay. And I obviously, these are private responses, so they won't be posted for everybody in the classroom to see. If you have any questions on the components for the response, or you're not really sure how to go about attacking the response, please write me an email, or you can write a comment and I can clarify for you. Please make sure that you type in 12-point font. You can double space or single space. It does not matter. Use spell check or any of those tools like Grammarly that you can to proofread before you submit. Usually if you type something wrong, it'll give you the red squiggly to note that it's spelled wrong. So do a check before you submit, and at least one page would be great. You don't have to label A, B, and C. You can just write a full response that has strong transitions. Do your very best, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.